Alex Shiell is the head engineer at Legado, a UK-based data and communications platform. While working on the back end of their system, Alex realized his team didn't have a way to convert images and Office files to PDF format. So, he began searching for a software solution. Alex struggled to find a tool with PDF and file conversion capabilities until he discovered the Essential Studio Document SDK. With the Document SDK's PDF library, Alex's team can convert several file formats to PDF and perform a wide range of PDF processes like splitting, merging, and stamping documents. Now they can rest assured that all their files are shareable, regardless of their original format. Struggling to process PDFs at scale? Transform files faster with Essential Studio.